Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how can you check all health data using health app on iPhone. The health app on an iPhone is a tool that collects and organizes health data from a variety of sources. The health app can help you view your health progress in one place, automatically count steps, walking and running distances, track activity data from an Apple Watch, enter information manually such as medications, menstrual cycle and many more. Now let's see how can we check all health data. To check all health data, first you need to go to health app. As you can see on the screen, we have already opened the health app. To check, go to health app and then tap summary at the bottom left. As you can see, we have already in the summary section. Now you have to click on show all health data, tap on it. Here you can see all health data information is provided. So that is how you are going to check all health data on iPhone using the health app. Thanks for watching.